Hello all, I am Dr. Gayatri, an educational therapist. I am the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning difficulties. Today we are going to discuss read alouds. What are these read alouds? These are the books where a parent or teacher reads to the kids. Yes, the kid doesn't read the book, we read for them. These are called read alouds. Why this is important? Why not the kid itself read it? Kids actually gain vocabulary from these kind of books. They understand many words. They would be able to comprehend the words and they will be understanding much more words. Even if they are not able to read those words, they can understand those words very clearly. Then it also gives a good positive experience with the parent. They can discuss over the book and they would be reviewing it again and again for having some fun and the shared joy of reading. So read alouds are a must. Now, how to choose the read aloud books? For preschoolers, for younger kids, how to choose it? The book should be bright, illustrated, and all colorful pictures. That would be interesting for the kid to see it. Maybe if you're reading it out, the kid would also be seeing it out. Next, for little bigger kids, how to choose for the beginning readers? For them, we have to choose where the characters where the characters express their emotions, where they can see themselves in the daily lives. We can choose those kind of books where the kid can understand, okay, this is what is happening, and they're able to relate it much better. For still more, for kids like above grade 1 and above, how to choose books for them, because they would be reading their books already, and if you're introducing these books, how to choose them. Here, while you're choosing for bigger kids, you have to choose books with extensive vocabulary. You can actually introduce many words over here, and you can also choose longer books, because kids would prefer only to read short books. If they are reading by themselves, we can choose longer books. We can introduce them to variety of genres so that they get interested to read all those books by themselves. So this is how you have to choose according to their age. Then, whenever you are starting with a book, definitely first start with seeing the book, the cover. Ask the kid, you read it for them, and ask the kid to see the picture and discuss with the picture. What is there on the cover? What is the picture about? Maybe the kid would be expressing it. Yes, I saw this animal. We saw this when we went outside. I think it's going to be a funny book or something the kid would be expressing. Then first take a picture walk of the book. Just move the pages and let the kid see the pictures of it. Then after the kid enjoys the book, then start reading the book to the kid. It will be more fun for the kid. Once after completing the book, ask the kid what they liked in this, whether they remember what happened in the book and something what happened. Maybe they saw this in the last week, or they are trying to remember the same smell at our home also, or something like that. Make them relate to what is happening around them also with these kind of books. It is so much fun for kids to enjoy a book with a parent. Don't stop reading once the kid starts reading independently. You can always continue this shared reading. These read alouds are very good, and try introducing them to a variety of genres through this time. Thank you all.